Welcome to Financial Help 69. Am I the only one that didn't know investing could be this fun? Ready to dive into the exciting world of the stock market? It's not as scary as it sounds, I promise. It's more like jumping into a bouncy castle filled with money and the occasional terrifying clown. Look, the stock market can be your best friend or your worst enemy, kind of like my relationship with, well, everyone. But don't worry, your friendly neighborhood Deadpool, Brandon, is here to guide you through it. We're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs with these 7 essential tips that'll have you trading like a pro in no time. Buckle up, Buttercup. It's about to get financially fascinating. First things first, what are you hoping to achieve by investing? Are you dreaming of retiring early to a tropical island with a cabana boy named Rodrigo? Or maybe you just want to buy that fancy car you've been eyeing, chimichangas not included. Whatever your goal, write it down and use it as your guiding star. Having a clear objective will help you stay focused and make smarter investment decisions. Trust me, a little focus goes a long way, especially when you're dealing with something as important as your financial future. Look, I get it. Learning about the stock market might seem about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's crucial. You wouldn't jump out of a plane without a parachute, would you? Read books, take online courses, follow financial news. There's a ton of information out there. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Plus, you'll be able to impress your friends with your newfound financial wizardry. Diversification is key, my friends. Just like you wouldn't bet your entire life savings on a game of poker, unless you're feeling really lucky, you shouldn't put all your money into one single stock. Spread your investments across different industries, asset classes, and geographical locations. This way, if one investment goes south, your entire portfolio won't go down in flames. Remember, even superheroes have backup plans. Ever notice how Warren Buffett only invests in companies he understands? Well, there's a reason for that. When you invest in what you know, you're more likely to make sound decisions. Do your research and choose companies or industries that align with your interests and knowledge. If you're a tech whiz, explore tech stocks. If you're a fashionista, consider retail giants. Investing in what you understand just makes sense, kind of like my love for chimichangas. The stock market is like a living, breathing creature, constantly evolving and changing. Keeping up with the latest trends is crucial for making smart investment decisions. Follow financial news, read analyst reports, and pay attention to economic indicators. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the stock market, power translates to profits. Don't worry, you don't have to become a financial news junkie. Just stay informed enough to make educated choices. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick. The real magic happens over time through the power of compounding. Be patient, stay the course, and don't panic sell when the market takes a dip. Remember, even the best investors experience setbacks. It's all part of the game, just like a fine wine. Your investments need time to mature. This one's a no-brainer, folks. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't put your rent money, grocery money, or emergency fund at risk. Investing should be exciting, not terrifying. Start small, gradually increase your investments as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, especially when it comes to building long-term wealth. So there you have it, Future Wall Street Wizards, 7 essential tips to get you started on your stock market journey. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay patient, and enjoy the ride. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. And most importantly, have fun with it. Investing should be exciting, not terrifying. Now go forth and conquer the stock market, my friends. And remember, if you ever need any investing advice, just ask the guy in the red suit. Or, Brandon. He seems like a smart guy.